How to make lists contain only distinct element in Python? I have a list in Python. How can I make its values unique?
The simplest is to convert to a set then back to a list. One disadvantage with this is that it won't preserve the order. You may also want to consider if a set would be a better data structure to use in the first place instead of a list.
One-liner in preserve order. Although you'll need
modified versions of this URL to preserve the order. Okay, now how does it work? Because it's a little bit tricky here if x not in scene and not seen dot at x. Why does it return true? Print, and set.add, returns nothing. And not none equals true, but why does it print add in 1, but not in 2? See false and print add, and doesn't check the second argument, because it already knows the answer, and returns true only if both arguments are true. More generic version, more readable, generator-based, adds the ability to transform values with a function. Without order, it's faster.
Let me explain to you by an example. If you have Python list and you want to remove duplicates from it, this is how you can remove duplicates from the list.